Hello, you bunch of beautiful people. Here is my face. So the last time I posted this video, loads of people were like, "Oh, lad, I think your van is broken." Yeah, fucking no. That might be the reason why I got the van for next to nothing. Is the day for doing the timing and the clutch. So let's go. Here we are, maybe a halfway down, getting the engine out. Just like that, we no longer have a subframe. Most of it disconnected. So all we have to do now is drop this side of the engine down. There you have it, guys. New clutch, new bearing, all new bolts, little Loctite, everything greased and ready to go. Send it. Yeah, it took some doing, putting this back on. We now have the gearbox in bolted, so pretty much all the same, just in reverse order, and we should be good to go. So that's us. Yeah, nearly there. Now the light is running out, but I need to get this done because I'm in work for the rest of the week and I can't have this sitting like that. So whether I like it or not, I have to put this together. Yep, that's that. So that's her doing there now. 2 o'clock in the morning. So will you click the like button? For fuck's sake, so I don't have to do this shit anymore.